So guys, I just came out from the clinic and they gave me two kinds of medicine. One kind is antihistamine. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Joby May. Hello everyone. We just picked Hailey from school and now we are going to the clinic or to the urgency because they are emergency because I have this allergy, as you all know, everyone, and my face is so terrible. And yeah, I don't know why my face is like this. And we are going, guys. We are going to the to see the doctor. Can you see? Can you see it?
But I think okay. Let's go.
Here. Yes, darling. And my forehead as well here. So guys, I just came out from the clinic and they gave me two kinds of medicine. One kind is antihistamine and the other one is cream for my face.
Sí, porque está posant...
See, because it is so red. Look.
Potser és la calor, eh?
Oof.
No,
and my eyes, look.
Sí, què t'ha dit ell?
Eyes. Hello guys. Yes, so we went to the pharmacy already and I bought the medicines that they asked me to buy for myself. And yeah, the medicine that I need to take. I mean, one is for medicine I need to take twice a day. Yeah? Twice a day, and one is for cream. So I have to apply this cream every night, guys. This cream. I'm not sure if you can see that. Yes, so this is the one. And the other one is this one. This one is top cold. Yes, the pharmacist said that this is top cold is also antihistamine. He said, yeah, this one, yeah, is top cold. Just stop cold. Yes, so look at my face and oh my god, look guys, look. So guys, we are home and yeah, it is so itchy. My face is so itchy, guys. I don't know. I'm looking this side, guys, because I am showing you my face. I don't know the reason, guys, why my face became like this. I mean, the allergy. Yeah, I have allergy, but normally it doesn't affect my face. But yesterday and today, I mean 2 days ago, my face is started to become like so red and itchy. And then today, yeah, and then yesterday and today, oh my gosh, it's so itchy and I want to scratch it. So itchy, guys, and yeah, I want to scratch it and it's so hot. So I have this very short video, guys, just to update you about my allergy because I'm really struggling about my allergy. I love spring, but yeah, it makes me feel so bad, really so bad. Yes, guys, because I have this black nose, runny nose, itchy. Yeah, I have itchiness all over my body. And yes, guys, really. And I also keep sneezing. And I really want that this allergy will end very soon, guys. Yeah. So I just took the medicine, the oral medicine that is antihistamine, and I told to my doctor or to the emergency doctor, the one that I am taking makes me so sleepy. I mean deep sleep, and then when I woke up in the morning, I had terrible headache, so he changed the kind of medicine, guys, or the antihistamine. Yeah, I also put the cream, and hopefully um these rashes, or I don't know, these rashes will fade anytime soon or as soon as possible. Yes, guys, so OMG, really. That's it, guys, for the vlog. Thank you all so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and hope to see you again with a brand new video. Bye and good night. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and turn on also, guys, the notification bell so you won't miss any video of me. Hope to see you again, guys, with a brand new video. Bye.